So it's about time to start. It's 1 o'clock here in Central Europe. So I will begin the presentation, which is dedicated to LONGi Hi-MO 6 modules. So today I will speak myself. I'm sales representative for Romania and for Moldova, together with my colleague, the product manager, Kristýna Filípková, and together with Tamás Szentirmai, who is regional sales manager for Southeastern Europe. So here is the agenda for today. I will introduce the company profile. Then my colleagues will talk about the LONGi modules and about the new Hi-MO 6. Then we will discuss the modules availability. And then the last will be the spot for questions and answers. Please type your questions inside the Q&A tab in Zoom. So about Solarity. We are a Czech-based company with the headquarters in Czech Republic, in the capital, in Prague. And we go back as far as 2009, where when we were an EPC and installer in the Czech Republic. Then we moved on, we became a distributor from EPC in 2011. And now in 2023, we are a recognized distributor in Europe, Middle East, and Asia. We cover more than 50 markets. We have delivered more than 1 gigawatt of power with more than 100 employees located in 8 branches in Prague, in Budapest, in Dubai, Kiev. We have a subsidiary in Jordan, in Warsaw, in Casablanca, and recently we opened a subsidiary in Bogota, in Colombia. So from the manufacturers, we move the products to our warehouse close to Prague, and from the warehouse we ship the products to our customers, installers, EPCs, and wholesalers. Besides doing the distributor business, which is our core business, we provide technical trainings, webinars, we provide hands-on trainings, we provide financing solutions, we provide local technical support, and for our established customers, we have the partner program, which add more value to our partnerships. Here you can see where our branches are and the markets we cover. As I had mentioned before, our warehouse and our headquarters are located in the Czech Republic, in Prague. So the key to success is to provide the best quality products which are easy to install and which provide the state-of-the-art performance. As this particular webinar is focused on the LONGi products, I have to mention that LONGi is our main partner in modules. Additionally, we distribute Canadian Solar, JA Solar, Jinko as modules, also Phono Solar. From inverters brands, we have Solax, SolarEdge, Fronius, DEE, Huawei. We also provide battery energy storage systems from several of these companies. From chargers, we work with Wallbox. For accessories, we work with Stoibli. We sell the Tigo optimizers, cables from KBE, and mounting systems from K2 and Aerocompact. We cover the residential and commercial applications, from modules to inverters, charging stations, battery energy storage systems, various accessories. And now I will have to pass the word to my colleague, Kristýna Filípková, to introduce the LONGi and the Hi-MO 6 modules. Kristýna, the floor is yours. Thank you for the attention, and I will take over at the Q&A.
Okay, thank you. So let me start. I will share the presentation as well. So now here we go. So I would like to introduce once more LONGi and their premium product Hi-MO 6. And I would like to welcome here Tamás and let him start with the presentation. Tamás, you can start.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this LONGi presentation regarding the Hi-MO 6 product family. And this is a brand new product family with a brand new cell design and cell technology developed by LONGi. And before going there, why this product came to life, I would like to give you a couple of background about LONGi to understand what is the strategy of LONGi, where the company was coming and where it is going, and what we are focusing on. LONGi is highly committed to become the #1 solar company of the world with the highest capital value. And as you can see from the figures below, it's a really big company. Nevertheless, it's quite new. And it is the largest monocrystalline wafer manufacturer of the world since 2015. And actually, LONGi started to produce solar modules only in 2015. And by 2020, LONGi became the largest solar module provider also in the world. And so we keep #1 position for wafer since 9 years and for 3 years in the solar module shipment. What I would like to highlight here from the figures that you can see on the slide is the R&D investment. I will come to this topic later, which is extremely high compared to the industry peers. Maybe go to the next page, please. Okay, so the Hi-MO 6 family was designed. Here you can see a little bit of a snapshot of where we are represented and what are the key figures that LONGi is pursuing on the market. Most of the factories we have in China, but we are also investing into new facilities in other parts of the world. We had a wafer capacity of over 100 gigawatt in 2021, which further increased in 22. And in 2021, as you can see, we shipped over 38 gigawatt of solar modules. Meanwhile, the official figures have been published also for 2022. We managed to keep #1 position with a volume solar module shipment volume of over 36 gigawatt. That means LONGi has a market share of around 20% worldwide. We can go to the next slide, please. And here, what I would like to present to you is the new product family, which we call Hi-MO 6. And it's important to note that this product family is a revolutionary product, not only because of the characteristics that it features, but also because this is the product, the ever first product in the solar industry that was designed based on customer needs. This product family was designed particularly for residential and CNI, so small CNI and commercial industrial application scenarios, based on a research made by the R&D team of LONGi. Why R&D is very important to LONGi? Because LONGi is the company which is spending the most money in R&D in the whole industry. Just for you to have a figure, last year we spent over $1 billion on R&D, which is more money than the next 5-6 biggest solar module manufacturers spend on R&D in total. So this has been in the recent years since the establishment of LONGi is a key for LONGi to invest every year 5 to 7% into research and development to make design products according to the market requirements. And as you will see in today's presentation, it's not only about market environment, market expectations for higher efficiency, higher power yield, and so on, but it's also about end consumer expectations. And we will touch upon this in this presentation. We can go to the next slide, please. So since the establishment of LONGi, the company is quite young, was established in the year 2000 as a semiconductor manufacturer. And actually, back in 2005, LONGi started the monocrystalline wafer manufacturing. By that time, you might know that by that time, the market share of polycrystalline technologies were over 90%. And LONGi contributed to change the industry landscape. LONGi was putting all the research, LONGi saw the future in the monocrystalline technologies, and also LONGi developed different technologies like a diamond wire slicing technology, which significantly reduced the manufacturing costs for wafer manufacturing. And also LONGi introduced industry standards, which are very important for the industry itself. For example, the M6 silicon wafer standard or the M10 silicon wafer standard that LONGi is using in the current available products. We can go further. So as I mentioned, here you can see from down to the top a kind of a history. That polycrystalline was ruling the world until 2016, and then there were a lot of investment into the PERC technology with monocrystalline technologies, and that took over the market from the polycrystalline. And you might have read there was a lot of discussions recently in the industry, which is the best cell technology, which is the optimal wafer size, which is the optimal solar module size. And many of competitors of LONGi were actually going different way than LONGi. Of course, each company, each manufacturer has its own strategy. And particularly, I would like to highlight that, as you might be aware, LONGi was producing PERC-based modules in the mass production, because LONGi's key pillars for product strategy is first of all that we provide modules we produce modules that offer the end customers the best return on investment on their PV systems. The second is product reliability and quality. Yeah, so we produce modules that are long-term reliable. And the third is that we do big volumes. So we are not producing a couple of hundreds of megawatt products like niche markets. We focus on large-scale production, multi-gigawatt production scales. And while other competitors in the last years were also pursuing or saw the possibility to increase the sizes, for example, with the G12 wafer, which is a 210 millimeter wafer, and LONGi is using the M10, which is the 182. Also, particularly for industrial and ground mount projects, competitors proposed, what we call oversized modules. Yeah, so they increased the module size, which of course implied high risk in terms of the reliability. And therefore, LONGi wanted to stay consistent and not to increase the size of the wafers and not to increase the size of the modules, because the M10 wafer is also the optimal size of wafer. So if you go higher, if you go bigger size, you lose on the efficiency of the wafer itself. So therefore, LONGi decided to develop a new cell technology which offers a bigger efficiency while we do not increase the module size. And there we come. This is where we are now, that LONGi introduced the next generation of cell technology, what we call HPBC, which is the abbreviation for hybrid passivated back contact cell technology, and which offers over 25% cell efficiency, which is integrated into the new generation of Hi-MO 6 modules. We can go to next slide, please. So let's say what this new product family features. As mentioned, this is not a PERC module. It's a specially designed cell technology that LONGi has developed. And there are two standard types of cells used in this product family. The standard cell efficiency exceeds 25%, while we are using a pro version, in which we are using an additional hydrogen passivation layer. And this cell efficiency breaks through 25.3%. And in all characteristics, compared to the regular, for example, Hi-MO 5 or other PERC modules, like light absorption, electric transmission, photoelectric conversion, all the features, this module is much better than the previous product family. We can go to next slide, please. But important to see that it's not only LONGi claims to be the best. As I mentioned earlier, LONGi managed to keep for several years now the #1 position in terms of module shipment in the solar industry, which was mainly based on M10 and M6 earlier, but last year already M10 wafer size and Hi-MO 5 product family. So we were quite okay with the volumes, but of course, the development and the R&D investment didn't stop. But now, when we look at what experts says, this picture is a snapshot from a presentation at a conference that I attended back in March. And when we look at this table, we can see that the LONGi Hi-MO 6 is now at the top of the list of the highest efficient commercial solar modules that are commercially available. Yeah, so it is because there is one thing yes, solar manufacturers can do many things in the laboratory, yeah, and claim the world record, but it's another story to put those modules into mass production. Yeah, and so this product family is now into mass production, available for currently available for purchase by installers and consumers, of course, through our official distribution channels. So to make it short, LONGi is now not only on the top in terms of volume, but also in terms of technology. Again, LONGi is back on the top with this new product family. We can next, please. And I mentioned that currently in the 21st century, companies need to realize that there are other aspects that actually end consumers are using. And here is the thing that particularly for residential segment and even for small C&I, potentially, there are other aspects to be considered when we are designing the product. Every day in our life, we need products and we buy products based on appearance and based on aesthetics. You know, we choose a mobile phone because we like how it looks like and we like the features, or we even choose the home appliances which we love. Yeah, and part of it, not to mention design and in the fashion and also in architecture. So this LONGi believe this needs to come into solar modules as well. Next slide, please. So when we were looking at about how to improve the product, of course, stable and high efficient power generation and reliability was already one of the key aspects in the LONGi product design. But now we have two other aspects as well: appearance, matching architectural style. And also nowadays, more and more we speak about, you know, smart home, smart solution, everything will be smart, even the phone. This is to be considered also when we develop new product for the solar industry. Next time, please. So these are the four key aspects that LONGi has considered when you know, developing this new product family. So it should it should provide aesthetics. It should look good. It should look beautiful. It should be reliable, efficient, and also intelligent solutions. Next, please. And so let's see where we are today and what is included in this product family. As you can see on the bottom, there are actually 4 members of this product family, and now I will explain which features what. The Explorer version is the basic product of this product family, which offers an improved performance compared to the Hi-MO 5 modules. We have the Pro version, the Scientist, which is offering even higher energy yield and efficiency. While for this product, we even offer better warranty. Later on, we will also have a product which is called Guardian, which has an integrated optimizer. And then we will also have the Artist, which is a colored solar module version, particularly for design purposes, for building facades or for architectural design needs, plus power generation, design plus power generation together. So it will open a new dimension of solar integration into the building in the architectures. Nevertheless, I must make a note that this product will be continuously introduced into the European market, and this year we are focusing on the deliveries of the first two versions of the Explorer and the Scientist. And the Guardian and the Artist will be only available at the beginning of 2024. Therefore, I will not talk about these two versions today. When the time will be appropriate, we will introduce these new two other products, the Guardian and the Artist, in detail. If you have used the LONGi modules, the dimensions that are visible in these pictures can be well known. So since this product was designed in the way to increase efficiency while keeping the size, you can realize that we are using the M10 industry standard format. In the middle, you can see the 54-cell version, which can be used everywhere for rooftop applications. And in the back, you can see the 72-cell version, and you can see that there are two different colors. In the middle, you can see the 54-cell version in full black version, and the big module is coming with only a white back sheet. About what is available, I will come to this later. The differences between the other differences, beside that only full black version is only available for the 54-cell, is that 54-cell module, it's valid also for the Hi-MO 5. They are produced only with black frame, while the 72-cell version is produced with silver frame. We can go to the next one. Here you can see some simulations that we have calculated worldwide. What is the additional energy yield in terms of power output in different areas of the world compared to the regular PERC modules? You can see that, of course, by region and region, the figures are different, but generally we can say that with the Hi-MO 6, we can reach up to 10%, up to 10% more or higher electricity or power generation performance compared to the regular PERC modules or the Hi-MO 5. And in all characteristics in terms of efficiency, temperature coefficient, light absorption rate, and so on, in all characteristics, this product is much better than the previous generation. We can go to next, please. But we do not only want to compete, and we don't want to be only better than the PERC, because the PERC modules, of course, we want to have a better module than the previous or our own previous product family. But we also want to be better than the competition. And with this product, we reach this objective too, since this module is actually better performing than the TOPCon modules. And without increasing the size, you have, compared to regular PERC, you have additional approximately 6% installation capacity. And compared to the TOPCon, you have additional gain of around 3% in total. We can go to the next, please. So let's see what are the key features of this product family actually. So as one of the key aspects to be considered under product design was to create a beautiful product. Yeah. Therefore, here this product features no ribbons and no bus bars on the front side. So it's really a beautiful product. I would say really one of the most beautiful products available now. Because on the left side, you can see the new product, and the right side, you can see the regular product. Obviously, if there are no bus bars and no fingers, there is no shadow effect on the front sign. As it's particularly important when you have low light environment or low angle light in the morning or in the evening hours, because if you have low angle light, the shadow is even bigger. So generally, we can state that due to this innovation, not having ribbons and bus bars on the front side, we increased the efficiency by around over 2%, to almost 2.3%. You can go next, please. There is another important product feature or characteristics with which PERC modules could not compete with TOPCon, is the temperature coefficient. Yeah. But now you no need to fear of the high temperature, because compared to the regular PERC module temperature coefficient of 0.34%, this product offers a coefficient of 0.29, so it's significantly better compared to the previous version, and it's competing absolutely with anti-products. Next, please. So, summarizing the two features, having no bus bars and no shadow effect on the front side, and also the better temperature coefficient, you can be sure that this product will produce much more energy during the whole day, particularly in morning hours because of the lack of the bus bars, and during the noon in the hot weather when the temperature is high due to the better temperature coefficient. Next, please. Moreover, for this product, we offer better warranty. Not only the product warranty is also better, but also the degradation for warranty is also better. Compared to the previous product family, Hi-MO 5 of LONGi, the first year degradation for the Hi-MO 6 is the warranty is 1.5% only, compared to the 2% of the Hi-MO 5. And the annual degradation warranty is 0.4% only, compared to the 0.55 of the Hi-MO 5 product family. And therefore, at the end of 25 years for the power warranty, LONGi will guarantee more than 5% energy output compared to the regular Hi-MO 5 product family. Next, please. Another important feature of this product is an innovative welding technology that we apply when connecting the cells. And on the left side, you can see a regular product which is welded. The ribbons are welded on a Z shape, and of course, when you do the welding in the Z shape, there is a resistance, some stress level between the cells. Now, on the right side, you can see Hi-MO 6 features an innovative back welding technology. And so the cell edge stress is much less than the regular product, and also the place between the cells is also much thinner. So that causes that this product will be more robust and more reliable even than the Hi-MO 5. That's actually the reason why we offer better warranty than for the regular Hi-MO 5. Next, please. And of course, to be able to sell these products, of course, we have all the TÜV certification, but this is kind of, I would say, the must-have for selling these products. We can go to next. More important that the reliability tests we were executing for this product show that the product achieves much better performance than the IEC standard in terms of thermal testing, hail impact simulation, and so on. We can go to next. And it's important to note that LONGi is one of the very few companies that has performed extremely well among the top performers on the PVEL and among that has received for 8 years continuously the High Achiever Award by the other third-party independent certifier institution, the Renewable Energy Test Center, or RETC. So both all these institutions, these are the most recognized international institutions testing solar modules worldwide, all competitors, all products. LONGi was always in the recent years among the best performance overall. We can go to next. And why LONGi modules perform so well? Yeah, the answer is that we have a comprehensive quality control system. LONGi is one of the very few companies that have, among the solar module manufacturers, that have a fully integrated production chain, from ingot manufacturing to wafer manufacturing, cell manufacturing, and solar module manufacturing. And it's unbelievable how much, when I had the pleasure to visit LONGi factories a couple of weeks ago, I was really amazed to see how many points there is a quality control during the whole process. So it's really, I would say, benchmark for the industry, how much quality control LONGi puts in place during the process. Next, please. And we launched this product officially in November last year. But the first couple of months took about, setting up the production lines and ramping up the productions volumes and capacities. And but as you can see, I mentioned we don't do like niche products. When we do a product, we do it seriously. Yeah. So we ramp up production volumes to 30 gigawatt already this year. So that means we are continuously turning this year from Hi-MO 5 to Hi-MO 6. And we also believe that this product will be very successful because it will be priced at a competitive price, because even compared to regular modules, because otherwise, even though there are benefits for this product, but the price, the value for money should be also right with this product. The next one, please. So let's see what is available now in the coming months, I would say. So as you can see, there are two versions currently available of the Hi-MO 6 product family. One is the 54 cell. As mentioned, it's exactly the same size as the 54 cell of Hi-MO 5. And there's a 72 cell version, which is designed rather for industrial applications. And the smaller module is designed mainly for residential applications. And from the 54 cell version, we have two versions, actually four, but from the 54 normal product, which is with the white back sheet, so it's not the full black version. As you can see, it's also coming with black color. And this is the basic product, is called the Explorer. It offers up to 435 watt peak per module on the same size as the Hi-MO 5 offered 405, 410, and so on. For this product, we offer also better warranty than for the Hi-MO 5. So the product warranty is 15 years for the standard module, while the Pro version is called the Scientist. This starts from 440 watt minimum. And for this Scientist version, we offer 25 years of product warranty. And from the 54 cell version, we have also what you can see, it's HTB Explorer and HTB Scientist. This is the full black version, so it features a black backsheet. It offers 5 watt peak less than the normal products due to the black backsheet. And also from this type, we will have the Scientist version available, which will also feature 25 years of product warranty. And for the 72 cell version, which as I mentioned, it's mainly designed for industrial applications. The difference is that this product comes with a silver frame. I mean, it's in this slide, it's written white, but it's actually silver. And for this size, also for the Scientist version, the product warranty is 15 years. When we compare on the left side, already the standard version of the Hi-MO 6, which is the Explorer, when we compare to the Topcon product, which was a big competitor for the PERC, now we can see that looking at all the different characteristics and features like aesthetics and price and adaptability and reliability, even already the basic version of the Hi-MO 6 is actually over-competing the Topcon technology. When we compare the Pro version, the Scientist, to the highest end solar module technology, which is the IBC, then we can see that the Scientist is actually almost all product characteristics matches with the IBC technology, but LONGi will offer it at a more competitive price, yeah? And much more volumes will be available from this product than the IBC, which is considered really the highest end of the solar modules. And here, what is not on this slide, which is a new thing, that, you know, as I mentioned, we try to adjust ourselves to customer needs, and different markets have different needs. I deal with several markets, and on my markets there was a big need for the 66 cell version of Hi-MO 5 modules. Therefore, me and also some other sales managers, based on customer feedbacks, we requested the management to start production of 66 cell version of Hi-MO 6 as well. And the management approved this, so we will start to produce the 66 cell version of Hi-MO 6 as well. The final certifications are ongoing now. I expect to have a data sheet at the end of June, and we plan to start the mass production for the 66 version in July. So first shipments are expected to be at the end of August or early September. This product, as I mentioned, I don't have a data sheet yet, but this product I expect at the beginning to have a power output of around 525 and 530 watt peak per module. Let's go to the next one, which is, I think, the last one. And you can see that here's the power bin forecast, how the power bin output for the particular products will improve. So the HTH version is the normal product of Hi-MO 6. And this is coming with a black frame for 54 cell, it's black frame and white backsheet. The HTB is the full black version. And you can see now that 72 cell, that's the industrial application, suggested for industrial application, yeah? And you can also see the full black, how this will evolve, both on the left for the standard product, which is this Explorer, and the Scientist as well. So this was it from my side. Thanks a lot for your attention. And later on, after the presentation, I will hand over now back to Kristýna and her colleague. And yeah, at the end, I stay at your disposal for any questions.
Okay, thank you, Tamás, a lot. And right now, let's talk about the modules availability in our eShop. So I will repeat here a couple information. So in our portfolio right now, we have available Hi-MO 5 as well as Hi-MO 6. You can see here the power output. So with Hi-MO 5, we are going up to 415 watt peaks. So it's more for the residential. Here you can, in the next line, you can see the efficiency. So once more, you can compare the numbers, what we just Tamás talked about. Here you can see the time frames. And let's go to the next slide when I can go more to the deep. So this is the overview what we have, what should be available in our eShop for next coming 6 months. I will separate it for residential and commercial modules. So about the residential, as I said, right now we have availability of 410 watt peaks and 415. It's Hi-MO 5. Those small ones are all the residential modules are always coming with the black frame. This information is valid only for LONGi, but other companies, please always double check. We also have here, as Tamás talked about, the 66 cells modules. So here it's the availability right now of 500, 505, 510 watt peaks. It also depends if you prefer to have HIH or HPH, even the patent issue is solved. So all of them, all of the modules are available and you don't have to care about any troubles for the future. As well, it's Hi-MO 5 and it's coming with a black frame. Now we are coming to the part of Hi-MO 6, when we will have the availability of 425, 430 watt peaks. And we have two different products, as you already heard. We will have black frame or full black. The availability in our warehouse should be really very soon. And it really depends on the demand where we will like move and you know how much you need and when. So this is everything always about the discussion. Regarding the commercial modules, so far we have availability of power out peaks 545, 545, 550, 555. It's all Hi-MO 5, and for commercial modules, it's coming always with the silver frame, and those ones are the 72 cells. Regarding the middle size of 500 plus, it really depends if you would like to use it as a residential or commercial. We have experience with both. So this is something what you always can think and check it, what's more useful for you. Also, if you are asking about Hi-MO 6, higher power outputs, they are coming in to our warehouse in a close or in near future. It means like let's say August or September, and the power output there it's 570 watt peaks or 575. Once we will have the availability, we definitely let you know. You can always ask me, or later on here in the presentation you will see the slide with the contact. So this is what I mentioned. We maybe forget to say that Hi-MO 5 will be available for, let's say, whole year 2023, and also there will be availability in the maybe in the Q1, Q2 of 2024. It really depends. When we go to the future, it's better always to ask. Here now we are coming to the part of questions and answers. So I will also ask Iurie to participate here. And let me see what question we have here. What's main difference between HI-MO 5 and HI-MO 6? Which technology you are using, as it is not bifacial? How many bus bars each cell has? Is the price is same as HI-MO 5? Is the dimensions same or change? Do I have agent in Iraq? So where we can start? I would like to I hope that we mentioned the difference between HI-MO 5 and HI-MO 6. HI-MO 5 it's the paired technology, so it's a P-type. HI-MO 6 is the HPBC. So I think during all the slides you find the answer. I will ask you, Tamás, help me here with the next question. Which technology you are using, as it is not bifacial? Can you maybe mention the difference with the bifacial models here, or like how it's coming, HI-MO 6 and the bifacial together?
Yes, sure. So as I mentioned, HI-MO 6 was designed for the residential and CNI. That means, put it simply, for the rooftop. Yeah, on the rooftop, bifaciality is not, a point to consider. Yeah, and the cell technology itself the HPBC that we are using in HI-MO 6, it's not suitable for bifacial products. As I mentioned, LONGi is now really designing products based on customer and application needs. Yeah. So there will be no bifacial product. If somebody needs now a bifacial product, they need to choose the HI-MO 5 bifacial version, 72 cell. The HPBC cell technology has one aspect or one criteria in which it cannot compete with, for example, N-type, is the bifaciality factor. It has a very low bifaciality factor, around 60% only. Therefore, LONGi will not produce bifacial module for the HI-MO 6 because it was not developed for this. You might have met or see Kristýna at SNEC already. At SNEC, LONGi introduced the HI-MO 7. Yeah. Which is actually the product that was particularly designed for application scenario where bifaciality is crucial and needed. Yeah, that product features a very good bifaciality rate while keeping reliability on a LONGi level, I would say. Yeah, because some cell technologies have imposed some risks. Yeah, so this is it. So there will be no bifacial for HI-MO 6 because it's not designed for this. And LONGi, those customers who need bifacial, LONGi just launched the HI-MO 7. We will also introduce more in detail on the European market at the Intersolar next week. Yeah, the HI-MO 7, yeah, this will be the product that will be available for bifacial needs.
Sure. There is one more technical question. How many bus bars each cell has?
Oh, honestly, I don't know. I think 9, but since I cannot see, I don't know. I need to ask my technical guys.
Sure, no problem. There is another question. Is the price is same as HI-MO 5? I would say here that the prices are balanced together, HI-MO 5 and HI-MO 6. and they follow the current market situation. So
Exactly.
please always check it with our team, and we will always share the actual price with you. It really depends on the production of the specific module. So the best is always check with us. The last question, or almost the last, is the dimension same or changed? As we mentioned many times, the dimension is the same for Hi-MO 5 and Hi-MO 6.
Exactly.
And a question, do you have agent in Iraq? Yes, you can cooperate with our Middle East office from Dubai, and there is, I'm sure, or at least I think I heard that we would like to participate in Iraq as well. So we will share with you the contact. So next question, could you please share the slides late after of meeting? Share, as always, the presentation is recorded, so you can hear it again, and there will the presentation can be shared. And one more, I have a project of 100 kilowatt for a school project. The panels will be installed at the flat roof with 30 tile angle for Iraq. Which type do you recommend me to purchase, Hi-MO 5 or Hi-MO 6? Tamás, I don't. For me, this question it's too.
For me, it's very simple. Yeah, very simple. Please check the slides of Iraq. Yeah, it's a hot climate. Yeah. So check the slide, how much better the temperature coefficient is. You can for sure see in this presentation also some simulations, how much more energy yield this module, the Hi-MO 6, will provide. It's very important, particularly in hot climates, that for sure no need to think, go for the Hi-MO 6, yeah, because it will be a better choice because it has a much better temperature coefficient.
Okay, thank you. Can you share the PowerPoint slide of training? Yes, this is automatically shared, and you will get the report. So with all the answers you just heard. So yeah, you will have everything what you need. Any more question, somebody? I don't see any more, so I will go to the next slide. Here you have the contact. Iurie, would you like to mention something about the contact?
Right. These are the general contacts for our company. The website, then there is the eShop, and the last one is our main email where you can send your inquiries.
Perfect, thank you. As you could hear during the question and answers, we will have a booth next week in Intersolar in Munich. So if somebody has any question, please stop and visit us. It will be a pleasure to meet you personally. And if you don't have any question, I think we are right now in the end. So I would like to thank you and hopefully see you next time.
All right. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, Iurie.
And thanks a lot, and buy more LONGi.